Hi everyone, this is Fatima Hartanda Chatur, working as Assistant Professor at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. In last lecture, we have already discussed about the protection of OH by using simple ethers, alkoxy ethers, silyl ethers and examples. Now, the next protecting method is acetal. In this case, the alcohol is converted into acetal by means of tetrahydropyrenyl ethers. That means it is readily introduced by the reaction of enol ether dihydropyrene. This is the dihydropyrene enol ether with an alcohol. This is our alcohol which can be protected by means of tetrahydropyrene. This is the structure of tetrahydropyrene. This is the protected form of this alcohol into acetal by using this dihydropyrene. This is the readily introduced by using the reaction of enol ether dihydropyrene with an alcohol in presence of acids such as TSOH, BF3 and POCl3. The THP group is readily hydrolyzed under the aqueous acidic condition with ACOH, TSAH and Dovex H. This is the cation exchange resin. That means the formation of these tetrahydropyrenyl ethers can be done by using this dihydropyrene in acidic condition, and the cleavage is done by using the PPTS. The structure for PPTS is like this. Here in first step, the dihydropyrene enol ether, this one is in presence of acid, this abstract this proton. This is the formation of this structure, and after the abstraction of proton in acidic medium, there is the attack of lone pair of this oxygen from the alcohol and we get the tetrahydropyrenyl ether. The next protecting method is ester. That means the alcohol can be protected by means of ester. That means the reactivity of alcohol, it can be stopped when it is converted into this ester form, and it can be done by means of three methods, that is acetyl chloride, anhydride and pivalloates. The acetyl chloride and anhydride, the formation of ester by means of acetyl chloride and anhydride are stable to acid and mild bases, not compatible with strong nucleophile such as organometallic reagents. And the formation of ester, it can be done by using acetyl chloride in presence of mild base like pyridine, and also the anhydride in presence of pyridine. That means the ROH is converted into this ester by using two ways, that is acetyl chloride in base, then anhydride in presence of base. But these esters are stable to acidic and mild basic condition, but not compatible with the strong nucleophiles such as organometallic reagents, and the cleavage can be done by using these bases. Also, one more method to make the alcohol into this ester by using pivalloate. The structure for pivalloates is like this. Here, this method is selective for primary alcohol because the structure is more bulky. Therefore, this is used for the selective protection of primary alcohol, and it can be done by using the tertiary butyl acetyl chloride and also the tertiary butyl acetic anhydride, and also the cleavage is done by using mild bases. If the protection is stable in acidic medium, then deprotection takes place in basic medium and vice versa. In earlier cases, we have seen the protection, if the protection is stable in the acidic medium, then it can be deprotect by using the basic medium. Also, if the protection is stable in acidic and basic medium, then deprotection takes place by using the reducing reagent. oxidizing agent, light or electron sources, then the steric effect plays important role for the protection. Therefore, here we comes on conclusion that the primary alcohol are more readily protected than the secondary alcohol. Then equatorial OH is protected easily than axial OH. Then equatorial OH with vicinal axial OH or OR groups are fast deprotected than equatorial OH without vicinal axial OH or OR group. Here one example in which there are some OH group are like this. Here the OH on the second carbon atom is equatorial, also on the third carbon atom is equatorial OH, then fourth carbon atom is also equatorial OH, and the OH of the sixth carbon atom is primary OH. Therefore, the primary OH is easily protected than secondary OH. Here the primary OH only this sixth number carbon OH, this is the primary OH. Then these OH third, fourth and second are secondary OH. Therefore, the sixth number carbon atom OH is more easily protected than these three. Then equatorial OH is easily protected than axial OH. Here the three OH, that is this OH, this OH and this OH, all are equatorial. Therefore, the equatorial OH is more easily protected than the axial OH. Then equatorial OH with vicinal axial OH or OR group. Here only this OH group is with vicinal axial OMe group. Therefore, it is easily protected than these two. Therefore, our estimated order of nucleophilicity is like this. That is the 6OH is greater than second due to this VCl axial OMe group than third and fourth, etc. This is all about the protection of alcohols by using simple ethers, alkoxy ether, silyl ethers, then acetyl and ester. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.